Okay, we're having breakfast. Grayson's having celery and turkey pepperonis and string cheese. And this is what I wanted to show you guys. This is the only way I can get Audrey to eat baby food, is to let her do it herself. It's a little messy, but it's usually not that messy because I'll help her with the first part when it's full, and then as it gets less full, I let her do it. See, she doesn't even want me to help her though. She just wants to do it herself. Oh, careful. This is hilarious though.
One set of dazzling fireworks coming right up. Fireworks appear on high, crack and boom across the sky.
Can I go put some shoes on real quick? My feet hurt on the tile.
Okay.
Okay. My heels.
Sophie is all dressed and looking gorgeous in her beautiful
I'll
dress.
just do it for a minute.
Oh, wow. Look at this cute dress, you guys. I got this at Costco. It's so girly and fun and right up my Sophie's alley. You like it?
Velma.
You got Velma. She looks pretty awesome too. It looks so old-fashioned. I love it.
This is the way how I can make excuses. So I had to put his. So first I had to put his legs like that.
What? He's gonna sit at the clock tower? That is funny. Oh, it's a slide for Scooby.
Yeah.
Cool.
Well, for everything, because look.
I swear, y'all. Woo!
They're supposed to fall off.
These kids cannot just leave my pillows alone. Hello, baby. So look what we're doing, you guys. We're getting stuff for the car wash we're making and favors. So this is happening. We found these, which are great, except I think they're $5, which we think is kind of a ripoff. So Kyle went to ask. So this is happening. We found these, which are great, except I think they're $5, which we think is kind of a ripoff. So Kyle went to ask. What is that baby doing? Where is she go? There she is!
Oh y'all, I am now at Home Depot buying the stuff for our birthday project. I've already told everyone what it is, but you can't, or you can start guessing now. So this will be fun. Although some of the pieces I need are way up there, so I'm about to go find someone to help me. Or I should just climb up there and get it myself. Anyway, step 1 complete.
Yes, we need it.
All right. We're getting some of the party stuff done right now, and we're taking the kids home for bed. All right, I did all my to-do list and all that jazz, so that I hopefully can do most everything tomorrow, except for the stuff that I have to do Saturday to make my life easier. So now I'm gonna go to bed. So hopefully tomorrow's good. I filmed a bunch of like the decorations and the party supplies for a vlog on our main channel. So now I gotta put away some of this before I go to bed. Put it like back in its bags and everything. So I'm gonna do that. All right guys, I'll talk to everybody tomorrow. Night guys.